If you're looking kinda hot and your hair is not gonna Ronsay TV. If you wanna be on fleek but your hair isn't neat, go to Ronsay TV. Ronsay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ronsay here. Today we are going to do some crochet braids, guys. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and show you the hair that I'll be using for this tutorial. We are going to use 3 different colors today, guys, and this is how the strands look like. We are going to go with this twist, and this hair is from Dream Hair. I'm gonna make sure I list down the colors of the hair down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out later. So as you guys can see, this woman is having really thin hair, and the cornrow pattern is this one. I had to make sure that I make them a little thicker like so, because the hair she has is really thin, very thin. And as you guys can see, I am just going through with the crochet hook, and I'm making sure that I just install this crochet braids onto the cornrows, and that's what you see me do. So in the back pattern, I am leaving some space, guys. I'm leaving some space because in the front pattern, I'm gonna be putting more hair. You guys are gonna see the hair is gonna be really full later on. And for this whole tutorial, I'm using only 3 packs of hair, and each packs have like 2 borders in. Okay, so the hair is enough for her. You guys are gonna see later on this video, so just keep watching. now you can see the hair is full and it's covering up all those parts that you saw in the back, the space that I left. And so here are the colors. If you look in the back, you see more highlights. I wanted her to have like this different colors as highlights, which is so great. We have the color 27 in the front, and in the back we mix the colors. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoy filming it. I'll see you guys on my next one. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Peace out.